If you're looking for an apartment in Laureles that is move-in ready and you're just 5 blocks away from the restaurants and cafes and Segundo Parque de Laureles, then this apartment is for you. We are Medellin Living Real Estate, where we've helped many foreigners just like you buy property here in Medellin, Colombia. We are just around the corner from the apartment that we're gonna check out. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Follow me. All right, let's go check this one out. So we'll walk in. And as soon as we walk in, what I love right now is the immediate open space that we have here. The way that the owners have this layout, because this is a unique layout. The owner was telling me that they purchased this in pre-construction and they kind of designed the layout to the way that they wanted. So you have a unique layout here compared to other apartments in the building. So behind me, we have the entertainment area, which was just recently updated just about 6 months ago. Over here, we have enough room for a dining room table. So if you have friends and family over, birthdays, holiday dinners, you have enough room to seat everyone here comfortably. And now something here for people that work from home is this office space. And I'll let you, Alejo, go through here. Now this would be considered the maid's quarter, but what the owners did themselves is actually convert this into a little office space. I would use this as an office setup. I really like it. Maybe a recording studio if that's something that you guys do. And we'll come back over here to the other living areas. What I like about this is that you have a lot of room to have a lot of people in the kitchen, because I feel like there are a few kitchens here in Colombia and Medellin where they're just a little bit too cramped in space. But here you can have like 2 or 3 people cooking here. You can have prep set up here. You have a little bar right here. You can set this up with more prep space. Now what you could possibly do as well, if you want to kind of open up the area, you could probably knock down this wall if that's something that you would want to. But I think the way that this layout is already, the way that this apartment's set up already, it's ready to live in as is. And we'll come back over here. Alejo, I'll let you go there. This is the laundry area back here where you have enough room to set up a washer dryer stack, or you can do the 2-in-1 if you want. And then we have a bit of the view of Laureles, because we are in Laureles again. And I'll give you a better glimpse of the view over here because this place does have a balcony. All right, let's go over here back to the main living area where the balcony is. And I just love this view. Laureles is an amazing neighborhood. I've lived here a few years in my time of living in Medellin. You're not gonna have a view where it's not blocked off by another building. That's just the way it is here when you purchase in Laureles. But overall, I think the view is beautiful. It's a peaceful day out here, and we're very close to Segundo Parque de Laureles as well. So you're probably wondering how many bedrooms and how big this apartment is. This apartment is 88 square meters, which comes out to be 950 square feet. We have 3 bedrooms totaled and 2.5 bathrooms. And the price per square meter comes out to be 8.5 million Colombian pesos. All right, now let's go check out the bedrooms and the bathrooms over here. So we'll come down this hallway. First thing you have here is the full bathroom, which goes to the guest bedrooms. If you need extra closet space, linen closet space, this is it right here. As you can see, it's in full use right now. And then we'll come to the first guest bedroom here, which is very spacious. A lot of great open space. The owners, they currently use this kind of like a, just kind of like a relaxing area, a little bit of gym workouts. Probably put a mini gym if you want to, or convert this into an actual bedroom or an office space as well. And then you still have the view over here. And what I like as well throughout the entire apartment is the natural light that we're getting. All right, let's go to the second guest bedroom over here. This one does have a bed in here, and I would say this is just about a double-sized bedroom, double-sized bed. So it'd be great for, if you have a family, you can set this up as a bedroom. The current owners, they have their dog. This is the dog's bedroom, which I thought was very funny. And the dog is just like about this small. But again, natural light. If you want to come over here, Alejo, natural light coming throughout the entire bedroom here. And then the same view from the balcony, which I think is amazing. And not a lot of noise. It's about 11 in the morning right now. And there's a few construction noise going on outside throughout the city, but you don't really hear it too much here in this apartment. All right, now to the master bedroom. Let's head over here, Alejo. And yeah, you could definitely fit a king size bed here. And the owners were telling me they kind of upgraded this bedroom just recently, 6 months ago. I like what they did here with the backsplash here on the wall. They did this themselves. What they also did over here is the closet space over there and the bathroom space. The entry to the closet here was actually a little bit more narrow, and they changed it so that you have more room to enter. And then of course, master bathroom that has a lot of height and space in it. So let's go over here, because there's one other thing that this master bedroom has is this area over here, which I think the owner, what they did was, what they told me was this was supposed to be a balcony, but since the owner doesn't have a lot of space for themselves to get ready in the mornings, they converted this more into a little extra space for themselves, which I think that's kind of great, because if this was to be a balcony, it really wouldn't really do much, in my opinion. So I think they did a really good job in converting this. And you could probably put here a little mini office space if you want, a little mini desk, and then you can enjoy some natural light, because again, we get a lot of natural light coming into this apartment. All right, so that's it for this apartment in Laureles. Again, we are just 5 blocks away from Segundo Parque de Laureles. And if you want to take a look at this property and you're ready to buy in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, and you want to use our proven system, because here in Colombia, there is no MLS. So we had to go and create our own MLS called the Medellin Living Search System. This is where we take your criteria and search the entire market looking for that property made just for you. So go to the description, click the link to our buyer's form, fill it out, and someone on our team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.